So here's my barn find 2016 Yamaha R3. This thing really truly came out of a barn, so to speak. It was in a ranch in Central California in a storage container, sitting for all these years, perfectly preserved with a nice layer of dust. Looks like I'm gonna have to chase some spiders out of here. Hopefully there's no surprises with rodents eating wiring or anything like that. But I figure this is a good example of a bike that I can demonstrate how we go about cleaning and detailing motorcycles, since a lot of the videos you see online that talk about washing a bike or cleaning a bike, they're freaking clean already. This one definitely is not clean. You can see 5 years of barn dust on this thing, with chicken poop and whatever else might be on this. So I'll take you through step by step of what we do to wash and detail a motorcycle and get this thing looking brand new. Here we are after a pre-soak and rinse and blow dry, and you can already see it's brought it back quite a ways. Still needs the detail portion of the clean, which will address a lot of these imperfections that can be seen in the finish. That's just from contaminants sitting on the finish, like bird poop and who knows what else from sitting in the barn. Some more imperfections in the paint here. I'm gonna focus all my attention to cleaning up the finish, trying to restore it even better than new. it is, 2016 R3. Just did a quick one-step polish on all the shiny finished parts to get rid of a lot of the contaminants that were in the finish. And it's kind of like a night and day difference right now. It's better than new. A lot of times I visit motorcycle dealers and they just keep wiping it down and wiping it down, swirling all the shiny bits. This is nice, like glass almost. The main thing was to get rid of all the contaminants that were in the paint, all the stuff that was left sitting, some of the lighter scratches. So I also wiped down all the plastic. All the plastic bits, got some of that Novus cleaner to bring it back. If you guys ain't up on the Novus, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description to that. Go on ahead and pick you up some of the Novus if you have a motorcycle, especially with a lot of plastic. That stuff works wonders. They even have a 3-step Novus kit that'll help you take scratches and swirling out of the plastic, which happens a lot with the windscreens. The windscreens usually get a lot of swirls. Also the dash gets swirled up. Please use a little bit of cleaner. Buy a little bottle of the Novus. I'll put a picture of the Novus cleaner, and again, it'll be linked in the description. Just carry it around with you. Wet your microfiber, give it a little wipe down, and you won't get all the swirls. You'll be able to see through your windscreen. You'll be able to see what's on your gauges. So this bike is pretty much finished now. Just gonna ride it and enjoy it like a brand new R3, better than new. Even hit up the wheels. I gave you the secret sauce. Click on the link in the description to buy your pledge. Pledge works wonders on the tires. Please don't use tire gel or Armor All, because that stuff will have you on the floor in a split second as soon as you go to turn. The pledge, it keeps the rubber grippy, it's not slippery, and it gives it a nice brand new look. The wheels, I just use some all-purpose cleaner. I'll put a link to the description for that as well. I use some stuff from Europe, but you can pretty much buy any all-purpose cleaner. But what a difference just a rinse and a detail can make to a bike. Now it looks like a 300-mile bike. I hope you find some of this info useful. You know, don't be afraid to clean your motorcycle. If you invest in some microfiber towels and some Novus cleaner, you're gonna be ahead of the game just keeping it clean on it after every ride or on a daily basis if you ride every day. So hit me up, the Jenius Biker, on Instagram, same name. See what I'm up to on a daily basis with these bikes. Stay tuned for the next video.